Hey, what's up guys, it's Sam. I just decided to finally make a YouTube video of my restoration process on my 1988 Ford Mustang GT foxbody. My buddy got me into these cars and I found this car on auction and bought it. The frame was tweaked a little bit and clear coat and paint was bad all around the car. Interior was in fair shape, so not much work went into that. But the paint process, I will be showing you guys a whole bunch of videos and how we pulled the frame. We set it up in a homemade garage, and this homemade frame puller, got a piece of wood there, connected a whole bunch of other stuff, and we pulled the frame. It was 2 inches off, got it all straightened out. So here's the video, enjoy. I bought my buddy a hood for his birthday, and I just stole his. This is his hood. If you look real close, it has a whole bunch of cracks.
2 or 3 layers.
Yeah. So repainted. It has a little ding, but since we're doing some Bondo and all that, anyways. This aircraft remover. All right, yep, got it all evenly spread on there. All right, got that plastic on there. Now we're just gonna, now to do all the Bondo. There's a tiny dent right here. You'll only see it if you look. Yeah, I don't know, you can't really see it on camera. This one though, definitely can see it. So we're gonna have to Bondo that right now. And oh man, this is why paint jobs cost so much, because there's just so much work. I've been working on this car for like, feels like forever. And yeah, so paint jobs aren't fun. I mean, I'm glad I didn't take it to a paint shop, because I want to learn how to do Bondo, how to do body work, how to do all that stuff. So decided just to do it myself, even though it probably would have been cheaper by the time all the hours I've spent here learning how to do stuff and prepping and all the work. Probably could have worked a couple of days and got a normal paint job. But I mean, it's all about the experience, honestly. In the future, I'll know how to do all this, how much time it'll be to paint a car, to do all the work for the car. So yeah. Couldn't do without these two. Alright guys, got the two fenders, the hood and the bumper painted. Putting them on the car for now just to see how it looks.